All right, Ike, you gonna get that bike dirty today?
Hopefully not.
Fresh new Heritage graphics, fresh new bike, 2023 FX 350. We already got some damage on the front fender. We'll see if we can get it dirty today. That's the goal.
All right, see if I can remember how to ride one of these things.
Yeah. I knew that was gonna happen. Go. Hey, what are you doing over there? The trail's right here.
Sand and rock is slippery.
Yeah, it was gnarly. We made it through the dunes, and now the only way back into Warner Valley, kind of along a big cliff band. And the only way down is this single track that's marked. It goes straight down this side hill. So it might be a super gnarly route down there, but we don't want to backtrack all the way back, so we'll see if we can make it down to Warner Valley. You ready?
All right, Ronnie.
So that's what we just came off of, is that that hillside there. Now we're headed down into Warner Valley.
So is this like a federal crime or just a state crime?
I don't know. Where are the dinosaur tracks? I don't know where the tracks are though. Maybe all through here. Maybe we just gotta look harder. Found one.